You know, it's still looking like we're going to see some more rain and storms. And, you know, yesterday we obviously had a lot of severe storms that took place, but it was a really big hail maker day. OK, we had a whole lot of hail, but it wasn't necessarily a lot of big hail. We did have a couple of reports of around 2-inch diameter hail, but we have seen so many other times in North Texas where we've had much costlier damage from the hailstorms. In fact, back in May 5th of 1995 in Mayfest, it was costly. It was $1.62 billion. OK, and then you take it all the way down to the list and eventually get down to April 28th, 1995. That happened at DFW. It was $654 million. So we've had some very costly hailstorms that have come through North Texas. But, you know, fortunately, yesterday was not that day, and we don't have that in the forecast in the days ahead. Now, eventually down the road, we are expecting severe storms just that time of year, but not today, not tomorrow, not even Friday. Today, we actually had some sunshine. We still have some of that out there right now, and temperatures made it into the upper 70s this afternoon. There's the showers that we currently have across North Texas, but everything that we currently do have showing up on radar, it is very light, and it's also falling apart as it moves off to the south and east. So very light rain in between Denton and McKinney, and you can see maybe a little bit of light rain just around Rockwall, moving off to the south and east. But again, that's pretty much falling apart. So for this evening and overnight tonight, most of us will be staying dry, but we're going to keep the clouds around. This is going to be noon tomorrow, and notice the rain will be moving in from the south. So the southern counties will start to see the rain a little bit earlier on. So temperatures will be cooler because of that there. This is going to be 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, and now most of North Texas is at least seeing some scattered showers. As far as thunderstorms, we could have a little bit of lightning, but again, not expecting any strong or severe weather. By Thursday night into Friday morning, we're still expecting some widely scattered showers and possibly a few thunderstorms during the afternoon. I think those rain chances begin to wind down. This is going to be 6 o'clock on Friday evening, most of the rain in some of our far eastern counties. Tonight, though, we're dropping down into the upper 50s and low 60s, so kind of a cool start to your Thursday. But tomorrow afternoon, I still expect temperatures to make it into the upper 70s to low 80s, at least for most of us. 81 in McKinney, 77 in downtown Dallas, 78 in Fort Worth, 79 in Decatur. But like I mentioned earlier, the rain moving in from the south first will keep temperatures a little bit cooler down there. So about 70 in Mejia and 76 tomorrow in Hillsboro. Tonight, mostly cloudy. We're going to be dry. It's going to be a little cool. Temperatures drop into the low 60s. And then tomorrow, mostly cloudy. Temperatures in the upper 70s. We go back down into the low 70s for Friday because we are expecting more rain, especially earlier in the day. Saturday looks dry. Sunday, the chance in the coverage of rain will be pretty low, but behind that cold front, we're dropping down into the upper 60s by Monday, making it back into the 70s as early as Tuesday with a slight chance of storms by the time we get into April 2nd and April 3rd. Guys.